Board Qantas Flight 24, shortly bound to Sydney, Australia. I'd like to take this opportunity to welcome you all back with us. All Qantas and One World frequent flyers, it's a pleasure to have you on board again. And a special welcome to all our customers joining us from our code-share partner airlines. It's great to have you with us. I'd like to introduce my fellow on-board manager, Mrs. Amanda Parker, and Mr. Michael Blair, and led by Captain Anthony Lucas and your entire crew. Once again, welcome aboard this Qantas flight to Sydney. We are ready now preparing our aircraft for departure, so please take a moment to ensure that all your small items are placed well underneath the seats in front of you, and your larger items into the overhead lockers now with wheels first to maximise available space. If you are seated at a bulkhead or an exit row, all your baggage, including your handbags, must now be secured overhead. It is now time to switch your mobile phone and any other transmitting device you have to flight mode. You will be welcome to use your handheld device during our takeoff, but your laptops and any other large electronic devices must be securely stowed until we are in the air. If you are travelling in economy, the small pocket below your entertainment screen must not be used for takeoff. Please remove any items in the basket now. Headset cables must be removed from seat back ports, but they can be just plugged into the armrest right next to you. Please now remove all the cables from your seat back charging ports and stow your entertainment screens now. Please ensure that you are in the allocated seat that is marked on your boarding pass, or your seat belt or your sash belt if seated in business is firmly fastened. Bassinets, tray tables and footrests must now be secured and stowed with window shades open. To familiarise yourself with the safety features of this aircraft, please refer to the safety briefing card in your seat pocket. As always, smoking, vaping and the use of any e-cigarettes is not permitted on any Qantas aircraft. Myself and the team are looking forward to taking good care of you on our evening service to Sydney, 8 hours and 50 minutes flying time. If there is anything that myself or the team can do to make your journey more comfortable, please don't hesitate to ask. Please help us to create a safe, respectful and positive environment for everybody on board the aircraft by respecting each other and our crew. Once again, a very warm welcome on board. I invite you to sit back, relax, and we'll be underway shortly. Thank you. However, we appreciate your full attention now as the crew guide you through the safety features of this Qantas Airbus A330-300 aircraft series. Thank you.
Attention for the next few minutes to make your journey a safe one as we take a journey through 100 years of innovation and Australian spirit.
This here's a Navro 504 biplane made from timber and canvas. You're flying on a Qantas Airbus A330. Sounds a bit flashier than this, old girl.
In the 1930s, Qantas are world leaders in aviation innovation with fully enclosed cabins and even seatbelts. Fasten your seatbelt by inserting the clasp into the buckle and tighten by pulling the strap. If your seat is fitted with a sash belt, ensure it's in place for takeoff and landing. You can undo your seatbelt by pressing the button or lifting the flap. Keep it done up low and tight during takeoff, landing and whenever the seatbelt sign is on. That includes infants and children. While seated at other times, we recommend that you keep your seatbelt fastened.
Welcome to Australia's first international airport, right here on Sydney Harbour. Our life jackets look like this. Yours are a little more modern. You'll find one under your seat, next to it, or in the leg rest. Remove your life jacket from the pouch by pulling the tab. Put it over your head, pass the strap around your waist, clip at the front, then tighten. There's a red tag and mouthpiece for inflation, and a whistle and light. And remember, only inflate your life jacket after you leave the aircraft.
If oxygen is required, a mask will drop from above. Pull down firmly to activate the oxygen. Put it on quickly and tighten the strap. Oxygen will flow without the bag inflating. Fit your own mask first and then help others.
In the unlikely event of an emergency, you should be familiar with the brace position appropriate to your seat. If you can reach the seat in front, brace by folding your arms and resting your forehead on your arms. If you're seated behind a bulkhead or you can't reach the seat in front, lean as far forward as you can and hold on to your lower legs. If your seat has a sash belt, sit upright, place your hands on your legs and bring your chin to your chest.
Welcome to the 1960s, when Qantas brought the world closer together.
Cosa riesci a vedere? Ci sono i canguri?
Welcome to Australia. Take a moment to locate your exit as the cabin crew point them out. It might be behind you. To remember your nearest exit, count the number of rows between you and that exit. Lights will guide you to your exits. Your crew members are pointing them out now. Welcome to the 1970s, when Qantas first introduced business class.
Before you get underway, make sure all your bags are in the overhead locker or under the seat in front of you.
Smoking isn't allowed on Qantas flights anymore. Your aircraft is fitted with smoke detectors, including in the toilets, so there's no smoking until you're back on the ground. This includes e-cigarettes, whatever they are.
There was a Qantas employee, Jack Grant, who invented the very first inflatable escape slide raft. Your aircraft today is fitted with escape slides and life rafts, which the crew will operate in an emergency. If you need to evacuate, leave all items behind. Slide, leaning forward with your hands on your knees.
If you have an electronic device, it's time to switch it to flight mode. I'm pretty sure I won't lose my phone, but if you lose yours, please avoid moving your seat or trying to retrieve it, as phones and tablets may be damaged or destroyed if caught in the seat mechanism. Just ask a crew member for help. The 90s saw another first for Qantas, when we wrapped one of our Boeing 747s in the flying art of Wonala dreaming. You can read more about what we're doing today in your Qantas magazine, located in your seat pocket. It also includes a health and safety section with important information on deep vein thrombosis or DVT. It's time to ensure your seat back is upright and your tray table is stowed. If you're in business, return your seat to the upright or preset recline position and unplug any headsets or cables attached to